Want an oven-baked lasagna in a fraction of the time? Use the combination mode and grill and microwave at the same time. You can place the tray on the upper or lower shelf options available. Tap the combination once to activate and then turn the dial to choose the right power setting. Press the main dial to confirm and then set your cooking time. Press to start and let the microwave do the rest. For lasagna with a perfectly crispy top and a hot and gooey center, your combination microwave oven won't let you down. Enjoy!